In this project, I will demonstrate how to detect human movement by using a digital PIR sensor. For this project, you will need the FPB RA0E1 board, a base shield for Arduino interface, and a digital PIR sensor. Attach the Groove base shield to the Arduino interface on FPB RA0E1 board, then connect the digital PIR sensor to D7 slot of the base shield. You can find details related to Groove Base Shield and Digital PIR sensor on Seed Studio website. Create a new project in ESK Studio by clicking on this file icon, then select New, then select NSS C++, then select NSS RA project. A new dialog box will appear. You can give name to your project here. After naming your project, click on Next button. Here from this drop-down menu, select FPV RA0E1 board, then click on Next button. Here select Executable and No RTOS option, then click Next button. Here select Bare Metal Minimal and click on Finish button. After project creation, open FSV configuration file and click on Stack tab. As you can observe here, according to FPV RA0E1 board, a default GPIO stack is already configured. Now click on P1, then expand P1. Now click on P103. According to Quick Start Guide document, D7 of Arduino interface is connected to P103. We need to disable the input pull-up mode because according to the example on C Studio website, the sensor will generate a high signal when human movement is detected. We don't need to change anything here in FSP configuration file. Now click on generate project content. Now in project explorer tab, expand src folder and open hallentry.c file. Now I am creating a flag variable which we can set after the human movement is detected. Create a uint variable and set its value to 0. Now in hallentry function, declare fsv error variable. To get the pin state, declare bsp io level t variable here. After that, declare while one loop. In while one loop, we will continuously read the pin state of P103. To read pin state, you can take help from Developer Assistant tab. Then open Developer Assistant tab. From Developer Assistant tab, drag and drop GPIO pin read API call in hallentry.c file. In pin read function call, we need to give the address of pin state variable. In second argument, you need to give the name of pin defined in FSV configuration file. Open FSV configuration file and you can copy paste the name here. After that, use assert function to make sure function call was successful. Check for the status value. It must be equal to FSV success. After that, check the value of pin state variable. If it is equal to BSP IO level high, we can make the movement detected flag is equal to 1. Else, we can make the movement detected flag 0 as no movement is detected by the digital PIR sensor. Now click on your project name, then click on this hammer icon to build your project. After a successful build, right-click on your project name, then select Debug as, then select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging. IDE will take some time to load debug perspective. Click on switch button to switch to debug perspective. In debug perspective, click on window, then click on show view, then click on expression window. In expression tab, you can monitor the movement detected variable here. Right click on expression name, then select enable real time refresh. After that, click on resume button twice. Now if you sit still, movement detected flag will not be set. Now if you move or give a gesture to digital PIR sensor, movement detected flag will be set to 1. As you can observe here, when I move my hand, movement detected flag will be set to 1. Every time when I provide my hand gesture, you can observe that in expression window, the value for movement detected flag will be changed.